How to add transparent text box on image in Microsoft Word. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show the perfect process. So let's start with the video, guys, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. So first let me insert one image here. Go to the insert, go to the picture, go to the this device, then you need to find out that image from your computer. Just select that image. Now go to the insert. Now image has been insert. You can minimize the size of this image. Click on this layout option and make sure this is like front of text or throw of text. Okay, just clip them behind the text. Now you can easily move this image here. Okay, now we need to have text box. Just go to the insert again. We need to go in text box. Go to the draw text box, write the text box here, and write your text like this. Now if you want to make the visible, just click inside the text box, go to the shape format. Under the shape format you can see the option called shape fill. Just click on this tiny down arrow and make sure no fill, and go to the shape outline. Just again go to the no outline, then you can see this. If you want to keep the outline, you can keep the outlet from here. Okay, and now you can easily move this text box within the image, and you can minimize the maximize size of this text box. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.